given so much of the lack of information around this potential CFIUS review/investigation. In an 8K that was filed by Qualcomm around 4 o'clock, we got more information that I think is important for investors to digest here in terms of those who at least are interested in Broadcom's continuing pursuit of Qualcomm. What appears to be the case is, according to the interim order that we do now have as a result of this 8K filing from Qualcomm, CFIUS says, that is the committee, of course, for foreign investment in the U.S. that reviews these on a national security basis, has determined, based on information provided to and analysis by CFIUS agencies to date, that there are national security risks to the U.S. that arise as a result of and in connection with the proposed acquisition of Qualcomm by Broadcom. What's important here is this. This is not, and I checked with people who are CFIUS experts, as you might expect, this is not just the review period, 30 days long, under which CFIUS decides whether it wants to begin an investigation of a deal. This is actually the investigation. In the interim order, they say it is the review and investigation. The investigation is already occurring as to whether this is going to actually be a national security issue for the U.S. The order, by the way, signed by the Secretary of the Treasury, Steven Mnuchin. And importantly, if Broadcom were to, for example, try to say, let's get redomiciled to the U.S. faster than we even thought, they're still going to have to give 5 days business notice to CFIUS, it says here in the interim order, before taking any action towards redomiciliation. That's their word, not mine, redomiciliation in the United States while the order is in effect. It would appear, Michelle, and this goes to the conversation you and I were having earlier on Squawk on the Street, that we're going to get potentially a decision from CFIUS based on this investigation. Certainly, it would seem they're also saying to Broadcom, don't think about doing something unless you give us notice 5 days ahead of time in terms of redomiciling. So this could be an important moment here, perhaps more important in significance than had been appreciated this morning when we first heard about this news and Qualcomm delayed its annual meeting.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.